Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now we have the formula in here. So we can use about sine 8 cosine b, that is about 1 over 2 sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So we can apply the formula for this one. Next, sin 4x multiplied by this one and sin x. Now we have the second formula in here. So we can apply this one in here and here. So 3x minus 4x, we have negative s, cosine negative s, we have cosine s. This one we have cosine number 7s. This one we have s minus 4s, we have cosine negative 3s, cosine negative 3s, that is about cosine 3s. 4 plus 1, we have 5. One over 2 and 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4. Now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine x, that is about sine x. The next one, 1 over 7 sine 7x, 1 over 3 sine 3x, 1 over 5 sine 5x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.